Fix Microsoft Store error 0x80073CF1. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Start with the troubleshooter. A troubleshooter can point you in the right direction when having issues with Microsoft Store in many cases. Fix 2. Clear app cache. Clearing the bugged cache can help you resolve store errors. Fix 3. Reset Microsoft Store. Fix 4. Run SFC and DISM. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Restart Microsoft Store install service. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.